Hey people of YouTube, today we're covering the complete installation of the Hampton Bay Universal Ceiling Fan Light Kit. This is a super easy project and a great way to add some functionality to your ceiling fan. Now if you found this video, you might be stuck in your own installation and looking for some help. We're here to do just that. So watch us, we're going to go step by step. We've already unboxed it, we're going to install it and turn it on, everything in between. And if at the end you find it helpful, please click like and subscribe, and that'll help other people find the video as well. Now before we get started, just a couple of notes. You want to make sure that the electricity is turned off at the breaker box and at the wall switch. If you don't feel comfortable working around electricity, please consult with a licensed electrician. And one other note is your fan is required to have a blank switch cap. If it doesn't have a blank switch cap, the light kit won't be able to attach to the fan. Now as you can see here, we've already unpacked the light kit and we've opened up the manual to the parts page. We're just going to go over the parts to make sure we have everything before beginning, and that way we don't get stuck along the way. So first up you have the light kit. You have the glass globe, you have one included LED bulb, and a pull chain extension. So we have all the parts, so just some tools we're going to need for this easy project. It's a Phillips head screwdriver. We like to have a long one and a short one on hand. You might need a pair of wire cutters and strippers and some electrical tape. You may need a flathead screwdriver. You will need a wrench or a set of pliers. You'll need a ladder, and of course a ceiling fan. So we have everything here, we're ready to begin. Let's do this. Begin by using a screwdriver to remove and save the screws holding the switch cap on the fan. If your fan has a light kit, you'll need to remove the light kit and then remove the switch cap from the existing light kit. Once the switch cap is removed, locate the two wires inside the fan's switch cup. They should be labeled with stickers that say Ford Light Kit Connection or equivalent statement. There will typically be a blue and a white wire, or a black and a white wire. If the switch cap has a plastic plug in the center, you'll need to remove that before attaching it to the light kit. It's easily removed by pressing from the inside of the switch cap. Next, unwrap the light kit wires and then remove the hex nut and lock washer from the threaded post of the light kit. Save these two pieces. Feed the light kit wires through the center hole of the switch cap. Feed the wires through one by one and then gently pull them through until the switch cap meets the threaded post of the light kit. Thread the switch cap onto the threaded post until it is tight. Just hand tighten this piece. There's no need for tools at this point. Once the switch cap is tight, feed the light kit wires through the washer and place the washer over the threaded post of the light kit. Next, feed the wires through the hex nut and place the hex nut on the threaded post of the light kit. Thread the hex nut onto the threaded post and completely tighten using a wrench or a set of pliers. Connect the light kit wires to the fan by connecting the black wire from the light kit to the black or blue wire from the fan and the white light kit wire to the white wire from the fan. Once the wire connections have been made, gently tuck the wires into the switch cap and switch cup of the fan. Align the screw holes of the switch cap with the screw holes in the switch cup of the fan. Secure the light kit to the fan using the screws that were removed and saved at the beginning of the installation. Make sure all of the screws are completely tightened before proceeding. The glass globe attaches to the light kit using 4 thumb screws around the base of the light kit. Loosen those 4 thumb screws before installing the globe. Once the 4 thumb screws are loosened, install the included LED bulb by screwing it into the light socket. Next, place the glass globe over the LED bulb and insert it into the light kit. Secure the globe by tightening the 4 thumb screws. Do not use any tools to tighten these 4 thumb screws. Over-tightening the screws could cause the glass bowl to crack. Make sure all 4 thumb screws are completely tightened and that the bowl is securely attached to the light kit before proceeding. Complete the installation by snapping the pull chain extension onto the end of the light kit pull chain. Turn the light on by pulling the pull chain. Turn it off by pulling the chain again. If the light is installed on a ceiling fan with a remote control, the pull chain must be pulled once to set it in the on position, and then the remote control will take over control of the light. Congratulations! The installation is now complete. Time to sit back and relax with a nice tall beverage and enjoy your handiwork. If you found this video illuminating and it brightened your day, or it shed some light on the installation process, and it was a shining example of an installation video, please click like and subscribe down below, and that'll help other people find it as well. And as we always say around here, keep it breezy.